Welcome to our channel Zaib Home and Beauty. Hope you liked the previous video. Thank you so much for that. Now, let's start a new video in the name of this holy person who is alone, has no partner. As we know, gardening is not only our heritage, but also people's most favorite hobby. But in today's era, it has become difficult to find time for this hobby. However, we are going to talk about the kitchen garden here. So, we will talk about the plants that should be present in almost every kitchen. 1. Tomatoes. They are not only used in cooking, but also used in salads. 2. Basil plants. Basil is a great herb to have in your backyard.
Harmadik mint.
Mint has many benefits. While it is useful to digestive system, it is also very good to be able to use for skin. 4. Parsley. Parsley is not only used as a topping, it also eliminates fat. In addition, it also lowers cholesterol. 5. Oregano. This is a type of mint. Oregano, known as the pizza herb. It is considered very useful as a fast food. 6. Lemongrass. This is a magic herb. People have been using it for centuries. 7. Rosemary. This herb is not only useful for your skin and hair, but it also sharpens your memory. It is also relieve muscle pain and improves the digestive system. So these are some of the plants that we have mentioned here. If you want us to take more of these videos for you, so please like, share, and subscribe our channel Zaib Home and Beauty to get more videos. Be sure to tell us in the comments on which topic you want our video to be posted. Take good care of yourself and remember us in your prayers. Thank you so much.